The Voge RR666S Infinity is set to make a grand entrance into the motorcycle world in 2024, marking a significant leap for the brand in the industry. This new model from Voge, the subsidiary of the Chinese manufacturer Lansen, is poised to redefine the middleweight sport bike segment, with its cutting-edge features and impressive performance. The RR666S Infinity is not just another addition to Voge's lineup, it's a statement of intent. With a sleek design that includes an eye-catching single-sided swing arm, the bike exudes a sporty and aggressive stance. The heart of this beast is a newly developed 660cc inline-4 engine, which is a departure from the twin-cylinder engines that is commonly found in this class. This engine is expected to rev up to 13,000 RPM and deliver over 100 horsepower, promising a thrilling ride. Voge claims that the RR666S Infinity will sprint from 0 to 100 km in just 3.5 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 240 km. Such performance figures put it in direct competition with established players, like the Aprilia RS660 and Yamaha YZF-R7. The inclusion of high-end components, such as Brembo brakes and KYB adjustable suspension, further underscores its performance credential. In terms of technology, the RR666S Infinity is expected to come equipped with modern technological advancements, including ABS and traction control. While it's not confirmed if these systems will be linked to an inertial measurement unit, the presence of such rider aids would enhance both safety and performance. The bike's digital dashboard may feature advanced telemetry, such as lean angles and acceleration data, adding to its high-tech appeal. The introduction of the RR666S Infinity could shake up the middleweight sport bike market, especially in Asia, where there's a growing appetite for four-cylinder machines. If Voge manages to offer this model outside of China, it could attract riders looking for an alternative to the Japanese and European offerings, provided it lives up to the hype in terms of quality and reliability.